Hello everyone, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-S1000 Evo model was launched in the Swiss market as a special edition of the streetfighter-style big bike. For the difference from the standard model, it comes with a sportier appearance thanks to the installation of Suzuki GSX-R1000R Yoshimura SERT EWC striping used in endurance racing events. In addition, there are 8 other decal sets that are no less attractive and can be selected according to consumer wishes. Suzuki GSX-S1000 Evo confidently offers high-performance devices and new features to make it more fun to ride. Starting from what is visible from the outside, there is the installation of a racing exhaust from SC Project, claimed to increase power output by 1.4 HP and torque by 1.4 Nm. In terms of electronics, the Suzuki GSX-S1000 Evo is equipped with a ride-by-wire throttle system, Suzuki Intelligent Ride Control System SERS, and 3 riding modes to maximize its performance. Suzuki Clutch Assist technology is also embedded in the slipper clutch to ensure easy gear changes and prevent the rear wheel from locking during fast downshifts. For the engine, the Suzuki GSX-S1000 Evo carries a 999cc DOHC liquid-cooled 4-cylinder engine, just like the standard model. However, thanks to the installation of the high-performance parts above, its power now reaches 153 HP with a peak torque of 107 Nm. When compared based on its performance, it is suitable to be a rival to the Honda CB1000R, which also uses a 998cc 4-cylinder engine with 143.5 HP and 104 Nm of torque. Back to the Suzuki GSX-S1000 Evo, the shock absorber uses an upside-down front suspension from KB and a premium monoshock at the rear. While the rims use a racing model wrapped in Dunlop Sportmax Road Sport 2 120/70 ZR17MC tires at the front and 190/50 ZR17MC at the rear. Regarding the price, the Suzuki GSX-S1000 Evo is priced starting at 16,695 Swiss francs. Well, that's our review today. See you in the next video.